Hello, my lovely Aquarius. How are you doing all? And I hope you are doing wonderful today. I welcome you all with my whole heart to my channel. And this is your bonus message reading, okay? So let's see. That's what I promised you in my previous video, that I am going to give you bonus messages today. Okay, I am going to use my decks, more decks for you, because you know that I was not well, I was absent. I was not doing the readings. Okay, so I'm going to do more messages, more readings for you Aquarius. Let me see what are the messages for my beautiful lovely Aquarius from Everyday Miracles. Beautiful deck Aquarius. Let me see what are the messages for my beautiful lovely Aquarius. This is the general bonus reading. I hope it resonates with you. Okay, I am here to help you out in some manner, because in this video I am going to give you some healing mantra. Okay, some healing. I'm sending lots of healing to you so that you can heal. Okay, Aquarius. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Let's see what are the messages for my beautiful lovely Aquarius from all over the world. Help me out to give the best positive messages which I need to deliver to my beautiful lovely Aquarius. Help me out to give the best positive messages which I need to deliver. Okay. In my defensiveness, my safety lies. It's not danger that comes when defenses are laid down. It is safety, it is peace, it is joy, and it is God. Okay, Aquarius? So in my defensiveness, my safety lies is your first message. Let me see what else I have to deliver to my beautiful, lovely Aquarius. These two wants to jump out. Okay. I am entitled to miracles. You are entitled to miracles because of what you are. You will receive miracles because of what God is. And you will offer miracles because you are one with God. Okay, Aquarius, you are entitled to miracles. Just see this beautiful message. Okay? And this is, love created me like itself. You are the work of God, and His work is wholly lovable and wholly loving. This is how a man must think of himself in his heart, because this is what he is. We all are God's children, Aquarius, okay? So love created like itself. Let me recognize the problem so that it can be solved. A sense of separation from God is only lack you really need to correct. Okay, Aquarius, a sense of separation from God is the only lack you really need to correct. Don't separate from God, Aquarius, okay? Let the God decide. Let the God solve the problem, whatever you are having it. Surrender to the God, okay? What else? What else I need to tell the Aquarius? Help me out. Guides, God, spirits, angels, fairy, every single positive energy around me. Help me out to give the best positive messages which I need to deliver. Any other messages which I need to deliver to my beautiful lovely Aquarius. Okay, I got 2. Today belongs to love. Let me not fear. Beautiful message. If you know who walks beside you on the way that you have chosen, fear would be impossible. And God is there, Aquarius. You don't have to fear at all. Okay. So today belongs to love. Let me not fear. Beautiful message. And I choose the joy of God instead of pain. See, that's what it is. No one created by God can find joy in anything except the eternal. Not because he is deprived of anything else, but because nothing else is worthy of him. So I choose the joy of God instead of pain. Choose God, not pain, okay? Release this pain. These were the messages. See what I'm having bottom of the deck. God voice speaks to me all through the day. Yes, trust the God, Aquarius. The part of your mind in which truth abides is in constant communication with God, whether you are aware of it or not. So you are already communicating with God, whether you know this or not. And you have to trust it. Okay? These were the messages from this deck, and beautiful messages. Thank you so much for giving the beautiful messages to my lovely Aquarius all over the world. Okay, let me see what else I can tell you. Healing mantra deck, beautiful deck, Aquarius. The color is so nice, so beautiful. It's very refreshing. It's very, very beautiful deck. I love the colors. The colors are very, very beautiful. Can you see? It's purple, pink, blue, sea green, turquoise. Lovely deck and lovely color. Wonderful color. Let me see what healing mantra I can give you out so that you can heal. This is the healing mantra deck from which I am going to give you a healing mantra which will help you out to heal, basically. Okay, so let me see what are the messages. Oh, discovering happiness. Discovering happiness. I allow myself to be content exactly as I am. Let me see what else I have to deliver. Discovering happiness, Aquarius, is the first healing mantra for you. Okay, so let me see what else I can give you to heal. Let me see what else. Okay, dissolving judgments. I don't have to like the actions of other in order to love my journey. That's the healing mantra for you. You don't have to like the actions of others in order to love your journey. Your journey is your journey, okay? In order to love my journey, you have to, you don't have to look about others, what others will think. It's your own journey, okay? You don't have to like the actions of others, what people are going to say, what people are saying. You don't need to focus on that. So that's the healing mantra for you. Dissolving judgments. Don't have to. Okay, that was fast. Polishing my heart. Okay, feeling is a power that helps me heal. Sending you lots of healing, Aquarius, because some of you are requiring healing. So yeah, polishing heart. Feeling is a power that helps you to heal, Aquarius. Beautiful, wonderful messages, Aquarius. Wow. Next, what else I can give you? The healing mantra. Help me out to give any other message, any other mantra to heal my lovely, beautiful Aquarius all over the world. Okay. I am one eternal light appearing as all. That's the healing mantra for you. Exploring unity consciousness. That's the message. I am the one eternal light appearing as all. Exploring unity consciousness. You are unique, Aquarius, and you have to know it. Just you have to explore your unity consciousness. Okay, any other message? Unhooking the past. There is nothing to regret. There is nothing to regret when I learn from my past. So don't regret. Just learn the lessons and move away, move ahead from those things from your past. Okay, there is nothing to regret. Whatever you have done, whether you have committed mistakes or whether you have done good, whatever has happened, you just have to learn the lessons. You don't have to regret it. You just have to move from the past. You just have to learn from the past. Okay, Aquarius? Beautiful healing mantra for my beautiful, lovely Aquarius. So yeah, unhooking the past. Just release the burdens, Aquarius, if you are carrying with you. Unhooking the past. Any other message? These two are there. Cultivating courage. In any given moment, I always know exactly what to do. Yes, you know what to do, Aquarius. Okay, so you have to cultivate courage. You have to, focus on courage. You are very courageous, Aquarius, already. Inspiring others. Beautiful message, beautiful healing mantra. I help others feel empowered by acknowledging their gifts. And that's very important. You have to inspire others so that you can heal any other person. Okay, inspire others, Aquarius. That's what I'm doing too. Inspiring you all. Too many messages. Let me see. I am in love with this deck. How beautiful color it is. Beautiful colors. Okay, I'll take it. Healing heartbreak. Yeah, you have already done your part. You have already, the broken heart was there in the reading too. So my heart will love again. You have to know this. Your heart will love again. Your heartbreak, you have to heal your heartbreak, basically, Aquarius. Okay, trust that you will love, your heart will love again. Embodying my soul. I have a right to be excited. Yes, exactly, Aquarius. You have to listen to your soul, what your soul wants to tell. Processing grief. My losses prove how deeply I loved. You have to know this. Okay, your losses prove how deeply you loved someone. Okay, so these were the messages, these were the healing mantra which I gave you so that you can heal in some manner, and sending you lots and lots and lots of healing to my lovely, beautiful, lovely Aquarius. And let's see what are the messages from the guides. Okay, let me see. What are the messages for my beautiful, lovely Aquarius all over the world? Follow the golden rule is your first message. What are the message you want me to deliver to my beautiful, lovely Aquarius? Accept struggles as lessons. Yes, whatever struggles are you facing right now in your life, these are the lessons, important lessons for the soul growth, for your soul growth. So accept the struggles as lessons, Aquarius. Just learn the lessons. Death is an illusion. Whatever is happening, whatever is ending, it's just an illusion, because after death the new beginning is happening. Okay, the new things are coming, the birth is going to take place. So next is possess self-confidence. Possess self-confidence, Aquarius. Very important message for you. You already having confidence in your heart. You just have to possess self-confidence. And abundance is your right. Yes, abundance of love, abundance of money, abundance of peace, abundance of happiness, abundance of everything is the right of you, my lovely Aquarius. Beautiful message. You need to know this, that abundance is your right. Express your feelings. If you are not expressing it, express your feelings. And kindness count. Whenever you do something good, whenever you help someone, it counts. God always sees that, how helpful you are. Okay, how kind you are. And calm is not weakness. Yeah, you have to take it. You have to take it that calm is not a weakness. If you are calm, it's not a weakness. It's the most strongest thing. And take responsibility for your action. Whatever is happening, take action. Take responsibilities for your actions. You have taken action, so you are responsible for it. Okay. Any other message? Let me see. Any other message? Any other message? Okay. Set your intentions. Yes, when once you set your intentions, universe started working to bring that thing towards you, but you need to set up intentions first, Aquarius. Okay, so set up clear intention, and everyone has a value. Yes, Aquarius, everyone has a value. That's very important message. Focus on the positive. Focus on the positive. Don't focus on the negative. Focus what positive things have bring in your life. Any other message you want me to deliver? See, this also came yesterday too. Release toxic relationships. You are not releasing it yet. Some of you have already passed it, or some of you already released that toxic things, toxic relationships. And if you have not released yet, just release them. Release these people. This devil energy is not for you, Aquarius. Release toxic relationships in your life. Any other message for my beautiful, lovely Aquarius? Any other message? It's no. Okay. Okay. Okay, so I'm not going to do it because it just fell out. Okay, it was being thrown. There were no more messages for you, I guess. Okay. So yeah, these were the beautiful messages, and very important message, Aquarius. Release toxic relationships from your life and focus on positive. Okay, so these were the beautiful messages from the universe, from the guides, so that I can help you out in some manner. I can help you out in some manner. I think I can help you out in some manner. And these messages are very important messages, Aquarius. Let me see what Oracle of Fairy has for you. Beautiful deck. This is also a very beautiful, colorful deck. Pink, pink. I love the color. Okay. I love the color. Let me see what Oracle of Fairy wants to tell you. What are the messages you want me to deliver? Okay, motivation. When spring approaches, the flower fairy urges you to spring into action. Is there something you have been merely thinking about doing? They say get busy and do it. Motivation. Yes, Aquarius, if you're thinking to do something, do it. Do it, Aquarius. They want you to do it. They are saying busy and do it. Okay. Any other message you want me to deliver to my beautiful, lovely Aquarius all over the world? Okay, journey. Wow. Yes, beautiful message. It's time to prepare for a journey. It may be impromptu or planned. Either way, make sure you are ready when the times come. Pack your passports now. Either some of you are going to do a journey, traveling somewhere. Okay, Aquarius, journey is indicated, or in your life. New journey of life is going to start. So journey is indicated in your reading, Aquarius. Either you are visiting somewhere, and if you are going somewhere, take care of yourself. Okay, Aquarius. Wait for winter is your next message. During the colder months, the fairy queen of winter will help you manifest the most heartfelt wishes, as long as your intentions are the highest good for all. So wait for winter. Maybe some of you are going to grant your wishes in winter. Winter is important for you, Aquarius. Moderation. Is there something you are eating in your eating habits? Okay, you should avoid it. Okay, try to eat mindful and healthful. Although the fairies say that there is a little bit of what you fancy is fine. Okay, moderation. Maybe some of you are not eating good, so eat healthy. Take a look about what are you eating. Life energy. Wow, what a beautiful card. See, full of energy, Aquarius. The happy fairy of sunshine brings lots of life-giving energy. She reminds you to shine your light and to reveal anything in the shadow that needs to be healed. Life energy. Okay, let me see what else. Any other message you want me to deliver? Any other message you want me to deliver? Inspiration. Be prepared. Be prepared as soon you receive a visit from Fairy of Inspiration. Come dusk or dawn, she can be called at any time. Inspiration. This fairy is coming towards you to give you inspiration. Yeah, in Aquarius, be prepared. And light. The fairy Queen of Light comes to shed love and light onto your current situation and remind that light can penetrate the darkness. Yes, can you see how beautiful it is? There is light. There is light in the dark always, Aquarius. You need to know this. And this fairy is telling you, fairy Queen of Light is there to tell you that love and light on the current situation, to remind you that light can penetrate the darkness. In bottom of the deck I'm having healing, and I am getting that I have to stop here. Okay, healing. Now it's time for you to give or receive healing. Everyone has a natural ability to heal others. Yes, even you can. See, some of you are requiring healing, so sending lots of you healing, Aquarius. Now you have to heal yourself. Okay, it's the time to heal yourself. So these were the messages from Fairy Oracle deck. Beautiful messages, Aquarius. Wonderful messages. These were the messages from my beautiful lovely Aquarius. So I hope it helped you out in some manner. And one more thing, I'm going to do one more reading in which I'm going to take messages from your partner's point of view. Okay, so let's see in that video what messages I'm having for you. 0909 was the time. Okay, so I hope I help you out in some manner. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel to get more messages, more videos for you. Till the time, take care of yourself, Aquarius, wherever you are in the world. Okay, and shine as a star, Aquarius. You are the star. Okay, remember that you are a star. Okay, so take care, Aquarius. Bye bye.